On the electronics on this car, I'll show you, it's pretty cut and dry. It was fairly simple. What I did is the kick panel down here, they already had a bunch of stuff cut and drilled and chewed up and everything, so I just kind of used what was already there existing to put on my switches, lights, and everything. You can see part of where this was an ambulance. All the switches up there. It's Cadillac column. Other than that, a nice touch on a shifter. So here we have the auto or manual switch. AD right here for auto drive. You have this set, hit that other dimmer looking switch right up there. That one's high beam, that one's supplied by Gearvendor. Click it on, the red light comes on there, and when you hit roughly about 47 miles an hour, it'll turn green and the overdrive locks on. The kick panel over there is where I hit all the electronics for it. So if you have this flipped where you don't see the red, basically any time over about 17 miles an hour, you can hit the foot switch and it'll go from red to green. It'll lock her on. Both settings, if you slow down somewhere around 20-ish miles an hour, it'll go ahead and automatically kick it back out of overdrive and you're back to your main unit there. So yeehaw, works beautifully.